Conforming to becoming graduate school principal of Vidas Elementary School. Faculty members included by school head Sir Frederick B. Lara. Our keynote speaker, Mrs. Brianne O. Barasan. CPA President, Pastor Arsenio Montero. Parents, fellow graduates, school mates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan ang ating again, we're actually if it's like yesterday, we were learning how to read and write. Learning to count out, panicking, and now we're waiting from grade 6. Reading for a brand new venue over the past 4 years. We learned a lot, not just about math, science, reading or history, but about
pan na tong. Ay man pan na tong no.
your project, stress over tests, and maybe even got a little low for thinking during class. We had incredible teachers who believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. Thank you for your patience and encouragement and for teaching us more than just what's in the books. You taught us how to be curious, wise, and brave. If you have been a very graduates, I would like to take this opportunity to thank other incredible teachers who believe in us. Thank you for to our families, thank you for giving us on. Helping to even when it wasn't really inclusive, and reminding us keep going when things got tough. Pero na kayo, pero graduates sa whole of this school. Mama, yung papa, sa kayo'y patamahan, ano na kayo sa tatako ay sa kondisyon na anos nyo ang kami. Manipot sila kami, Yasintano ang nagpuluganyo, ang kami sila ang nangyari. Manipot sila yan. Sinan, at wala kayo ay nagpupunta ang kami. Sungan ay kami balik at oras at pagpapos sa Italia. Bagaman di may gawat ni sa financial, ito ang pulugalan ay banat. Nung sapay kumata, ang manay condition niya ang sakyo, o duwani kaningay na kapupos kami. Salamat ka nagbalik kayo ay responsable at paritismi. Narimin marapat ka na lumaga kayo ay magtulong ng kami. Ikarimi ay amagawin, kabaulan ni, tatlo makalpas kami sa sila.
Man video ka to i-forward mo kuno ni nanay mo.
Kayo ay wala ay sumaganti sa namin ay rigat at kapipisulyo o kami ay anak ko. My fellow graduates, we grow so much together. We're not the same mix who start elementary school. We're stronger, and ready for the next challenge. Later high school might assume a little scary. But if we make it to start from practices, advice, and results in life, and we can handle anything. Let's take all the lessons
Wala magatang kamalako no baga di na kanyan.
learn the memories we make and the friendships we build. And carry them us into the future. This is not the end. It's just the beginning of a new chapter to forget and guide our way.
Ano ka?
Again, fellow